Okay, this is the Ryobi entry level 33 centimeter. This is my old Bosch lawnmower. You can see much bigger. This one has a problem. Because we ran over the cord. That's why we got this one. But this is great. I like it. Lightweight, much heavier. No, this one is. I can't know what the cut depth is. This is a Bosch Rotak 430. I'm going to have a guess that that's 430, 43 centimeters. This is the Ryobi. 33 centimeters, a lot smaller, but for a small garden, that's all I need. This one is great for manoeuvring. There's no wire. I can get it in the corners and get it easily turned around. It's a lot better, and I think it's going to take the same amount of time to use this one as it did this one, even though the cutter is much wider, because that's just more maneuverable. I don't have to worry about the wire. Everything will be a lot easier to move around. So I'm very happy with the Ryobi 18 volt 33 centimeter cut entry level lawnmower. This one is just too big and heavy now compared to that. So if you're looking for a lightweight, easy to use lawnmower, that is it. Not bad price off Amazon. I'll put the link in the notes below, but I think it was £150 maybe, without the battery. So if you've already got the Ryobi batteries, it's a bargain. And this is the 2.5 amp one, and it cut this grass. It's now empty, but I'm happy with that. So